Pablo the Pig's painting party. Pablo the Pig loved painting more than anything, even more than rolling in mud. So when he decided to throw a painting party for his friends, he wanted everything to be perfect. First, Pablo made a checklist. 1. Go to bed early *** the night before, so he wouldn't be sleepy. 2. Eat a healthy breakfast. No skipping meals for art. 3. Set up on time, because punctuality is polite. The next morning, Pablo woke up bright and early after a good night's sleep. He ate a big bowl of crunchy veggies, his favorite, and set up his paints, brushes, and paper just as his friends arrived. Right on time. Bella the bunny, Milo the monkey, and Lila the lamb giggled as they dipped their brushes into colorful paints. But Milo kept yawning. I stayed up late playing, he admitted. Soon, his painting turned into a sleepy scribble. Pablo smiled. Next time, rest early like me. Then your art will be as lively as you are. Quote, Bella wrinkled her nose at the veggie snacks. I only like sweets, she said. But after one bite of a carrot, she cheered. These give me energy to paint better. Quote, by the end of the party, everyone had made beautiful paintings and learned Pablo's secrets. Sleep well, eat well, and be on time. Best party ever. Lila cheered. Pablo grinned. Of course. With good habits, everything's more fun. Quote, and with that, the friends trotted home, already excited for their next adventure. Rested, full, and right on schedule. The end. ** paint palette pig face.